Welcome to today's episode, where we're diving deep into the bustling world of business, covering major developments from tech giants like Amazon and Meta, intriguing moves in the finance sector with Baofan's departure, important legal victories for Li Yong, strategic shifts at BP amidst tough economic conditions, Elon Musk's legal and leadership challenges, noteworthy nasdaq updates, and Adam Neumann's audacious bid to reclaim WeWork. In the realm of Amazon news, we cover several significant developments today, highlighting the company's financial performance, stock market activities, internal operations, and legal victories. Firstly, Amazon is on the cusp of announcing its fourth quarter earnings. This eagerly awaited financial statement will reveal the results of both Prime Day and the bustling holiday shopping season, providing insight into Amazon's current financial health and future projections. In a related financial move, Amazon's founder, Jeff Bezos, plans to sell a significant portion of his Amazon stock. By the year 2025, Bezos aims to offload up to 50 million shares, with a noteworthy chunk expected to be sold by January 31, 2022. This divestiture, potentially worth billions of dollars, could influence the stock market and Bezos's philanthropic activities substantially. Turning to internal operations, Amazon is implementing cost optimization strategies, including laying off hundreds of employees within its healthcare business. These layoffs are part of a broader initiative to cut costs, streamline operations, and enhance efficiency across Amazon's diversified business portfolio. Additionally, in a display of legal strength, Amazon and BMW have collaboratively secured a victory in trademark infringement litigation, which emphasizes the vital role of protecting intellectual property rights in today's competitive business environment. We will continue to provide updates on these stories, exploring the consequences and advancements in further detail in our upcoming episodes. In the latest Meta news, the technology behemoth has captured the spotlight with its substantial financial advancements. Demonstrating a remarkable tripling of profits, Meta has achieved a significant milestone by declaring its inaugural dividend. This financial surge was propelled by a notable 25% increase in revenue, largely due to strategic cost-cutting initiatives, such as layoffs. This vital information is encapsulated in the company's financial outcomes for the fourth quarter and the entirety of 2023. We will explore further what these developments signify for Meta and its stakeholders. In the latest Baofan news, there's a significant development concerning the billionaire banker and key figure of China Renaissance Holdings. After disappearing in February of the previous year and sparking widespread speculation for nearly 12 months, Baofan has made headlines again. However, this time, it's not for his return to the financial scene, but for his resignation from his roles as chairman and chief executive of China Renaissance Holdings. Citing health reasons and a desire to focus more on family matters, Bao's departure signifies the end of an influential era for the company he co-founded and nurtured into a leading entity in China's banking sector. Stepping into his shoes is co-founder Xie Yijing, a well-known figure within China Renaissance, who will take on Bao's leadership roles. This transition is pivotal for the future direction and stability of the firm. As this story unfolds, we'll continue to monitor how China Renaissance Holdings navigates this major leadership change. Keep an eye on our updates for this and other evolving stories. In a significant legal development, Samsung Electronics Vice Chairman Li Yong has been acquitted of stock manipulation and fraud charges relating to a pivotal 2015 merger, marking a crucial moment for the conglomerate. This surprising verdict by the South Korean court clears Li of financial crimes, significantly easing the considerable legal challenges he has faced, and indicates a momentous shift in the ongoing scrutiny of corporate governance and ethics within South Korea. The 2015 merger was instrumental in consolidating Li's control over Samsung, attracting widespread attention and allegations of impropriety. However, with this latest ruling, Li is freed from the accusations that have loomed over his tenure at one of the world's most influential technology companies. This legal battle has been keenly observed there not only for its direct impact on Li Yong, but also for its broader implications for corporate behavior and the role of chaebol families in South Korea's economic landscape. Now acquitted, The outcome for Lee Jae-yong is expected to have far-reaching effects across the corporate sector, potentially influencing leadership dynamics, business practices, and the dialogue around business ethics and corporate responsibility in South Korea. As we continue to monitor the repercussions of this acquittal, speculation grows regarding how this will affect Samsung's future policies, leadership strategies, and Lee Jae-yong's role within the conglomerate. While the verdict certainly removes a major legal obstacle for Lee, it also poses questions about the future direction of Samsung and its impact on corporate governance in South Korea. In the latest BP news, we delve into significant economic and corporate developments in the UK and globally amidst a challenging economic environment. Despite this, BP has managed to stand out with its strong performance and strategic announcements. The UK retail sector is currently seeing a slowdown, primarily due to the ongoing cost of living crisis affecting consumer spending habits. Contrastingly, BP has reported exceeding profit forecasts even with lower oil prices, underscoring its robust performance during this period. This success has led BP to announce its plans to enhance shareholder returns, a decision likely to be met with enthusiasm by the financial community. Moreover, the construction sector in the UK is witnessing a positive shift in sentiment, with builders' confidence on the rise, spurred by the anticipation of potential interest rate cuts. This optimism could drive further investment and spending within the industry. This upbeat sentiment is mirrored in BP's performance, with its Q4 2023 profits surpassing expectations, despite a slight shortfall in its annual figures. The Bank of England has issued warnings about potential downside risks to the UK economy, highlighting broader concerns over economic stability and growth prospects. In a notable development, Adam Neumann, the controversial founder of WeWork, is reportedly seeking to buy the company out of bankruptcy, an event that is sure to garner significant interest due to Neumann's contentious history with the firm. BP CEO Bernard Looney has emphasized a pragmatic approach towards achieving the company's green objectives, especially as BP's profits have halved, pointing to a challenging path ahead for the energy sector's transition to sustainability. In conclusion, amidst a backdrop of economic uncertainties and bold corporate strategies, BP's ability to surpass profit forecasts, despite hurdles like slower UK retail sales and lower oil prices, highlights its resilience and adaptability. These traits will be crucial for navigating the complex future landscapes. Keep an eye on our platform for more in-depth analysis and updates on these evolving stories. In the latest news surrounding Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla has been embroiled in a series of notable developments regarding his personal compensation, the potential relocation of Tesla's corporate headquarters, and various controversies. Recently, a Delaware judge invalidated a massive $56 billion compensation package intended for Musk, pointing to issues in the establishment of the terms and in the shareholder vote that approved it. This decision came from a lawsuit initiated by an unexpected plaintiff, a former heavy metal drummer. As a result of this ruling, Musk has voiced his dissatisfaction with Delaware's judges. In an audacious reaction, Musk has proposed moving Tesla's legal incorporation from Delaware to Texas, expressing his view that companies should rethink their incorporation in Delaware, traditionally preferred for its business-friendly legal environment. This proposition has sparked debate among legal scholars about the feasibility and implications of such a shift for Tesla and Musk. Amidst this controversy, a shareholder vote is set to determine the fate of Tesla's incorporation state, challenging Delaware's status as a primary choice for business incorporation. Meanwhile, the Tesla board contemplates appealing the judge's decision, renegotiating Musk's compensation, or proceeding with the relocation to Texas. Further complicating Musk's current affairs, Tesla has reportedly missed out on about $500 million in potential Bitcoin gains. Additionally, revelations regarding Tesla and SpaceX directors partaking in drug use with Musk have led to questions about board independence. Beyond these professional challenges, Musk's journey from overcoming adversity in his early life to becoming a central figure in the tech industry is a testament to his resilient and transformative vision. Despite leading companies like PayPal, SpaceX, and Tesla to remarkable success, Musk's methods and leadership have made him a contentious figure, recently earning him the title of the most overrated CEO amidst one of the most turbulent periods of his career. Stay tuned for further developments in this unfolding story that encapsulates Musk's professional challenges and personal endeavors. In the latest updates from the NASDAQ, there have been several significant developments across various sectors that investors and market watchers should note for a comprehensive understanding of the current market dynamics. Sizzle Acquisition Corp. has postponed their special meeting regarding a proposed business combination, with details on the delay pending. This has left stakeholders eagerly awaiting further information on what might be an impactful decision for the company. In the banking sector, Fifth Third Bancorp has experienced a notable decrease in short interest by 5.2% during January, signaling a shift in investor sentiment possibly towards a more optimistic view of the bank's future. Similarly, in the media industry, BuzzFeed Inc. has seen a decline in short interest this January, suggesting changing investor perspectives on the company's potential for growth and profitability. In earnings news, Fox has set February 7th for its quarterly earnings announcement, with investors and analysts keen to gauge the broadcasting giant's operational performance in the past quarter. Also in the earnings spotlight, Innotiv, ticker symbol NOTV, active in the biotech and pharmaceutical services field, is preparing to unveil its quarterly earnings on Wednesday, drawing attention to the critical nature of its R&D services. A positive performance highlight comes from Kforce in the professional staffing services sector, which has beaten earnings estimates by 33 cents EPS. This beat is particularly reassuring for investors, showcasing Kforce's ability to outperform even amidst uncertain market conditions. These updates collectively portray a dynamic landscape across the NASDAQ, with corporate decisions, investor sentiment shifts, and earnings outcomes painting a multifaceted picture of the financial markets. Stay tuned for more insightful updates from the NASDAQ and beyond as we continue to track these and other significant developments impacting investors and markets worldwide. In the latest WeWork news, the tech and real estate sectors are abuzz with developments about co-founder Adam Neumann's audacious move to regain control of the co-working titan he was dramatically ousted from in 2019. Through his new venture, Flow Global, Neumann is at the center of negotiations that have been underway for months, looking to acquire WeWork out of bankruptcy. This bold attempt marks yet another chapter in Neumann's career, characterized by a rapid ascent, a public downfall, and now a bold comeback effort. Partnering with the renowned hedge fund Third Point and its mogul Dan Loeb, Neumann aims not just for ownership, but a complete revival of WeWork. Despite the high-profile collaboration, there remains uncertainty, as a confirmed deal has yet to be announced. This endeavor is more than a mere acquisition. It's Neumann's chance to reclaim prominence and a piece of the empire he co-created. Whether through purchasing WeWork or offering debt financing amid its bankruptcy, Neumann's ambition and tenacity are on full display. The business community is keenly observing whether this move will signal Neumann's successful return or become another twist in the ongoing WeWork saga. Updates on this developing story will surely be of significant interest. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to catch our next weekly business episode for more insightful discussions and tips.